So Samsung just dropped the whole S26 lineup and it's looking pretty good. Like the base model starts at 800, the Plus is 1,000, and if you want the Ultra, that's about 1,300. And yeah, that's a lot of money, but they actually kept the prices the same as last year. So like that's almost a deal. That's basically a deal, I guess. Given how much the cost of manufacturing components has spiked recently, Samsung keeping the prices flat this year actually is a pretty solid deal. But, and this is the part that really is getting under my skin right now, my job expects me to use my personal phone for work, like emails, calls, Slack, Teams, all of that, on my phone that I bought with my own money. Do they help pay for it? No. Do they offer anything back? Nope, not a single cent. So I'm basically out here funding a work device for a company that's not giving me anything for it. You know what I'm saying, guys? Leave some comments below if you're in the same situation. I already know it. I'm gonna pre-order it, spend the 800, and then my boss is gonna text me at 9 o'clock at night. I'm gonna be answering work stuff on my brand new Samsung phone like a total sucker. That's all right. And the phone itself is it's gorgeous. The Ultra has a 6.9-inch screen, insane brightness, super fast charging, the newest Snapdragon chip inside, and they added this new privacy feature where you can hide just part of your screen, like just your notifications or whatever. That alone sold me, honestly. This is arguably the coolest update. What do you guys think?